I ran across an issue yesterday on one of my mowers, and when I took the wheel off, the wheel goes right here. Took the wheel off, I noticed that this piece right here had broke. So it didn't have strength, or it wasn't holding up to the point where I can continue cutting. So I was thinking at first to weld the piece back, and I can get a rod right here, and I can weld that back, but this is soft metal. So I went with plan B, and I'm going to drill a hole probably right here, if I can get to right there. Let's see. It's gonna be a drill, and I'm gonna go so I can tap right at the end of that the screwdriver, and I'm gonna use one of these screws here to go on the inside, and that's gonna hold this piece. That's what this screw right there was doing. That nut screw was doing the same thing, so I'm just gonna replace and put this screw up here. See how that works. You know, I know that one of these two bits will fit. One is a 5/16, one is 11/32. I think the 11/32 is going to be too large, but I need to find the diameter of that. Remember those calipers that I have shown? So we're going to measure that, and this is the 5/16. So right there, 5/16, and you can count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/16. That is 5/16. So that's the one we're gonna use. And you make sure that you put on your goggles or eye protection because of the shards. And I need to get this right here. I'm going to use a hammer drill. The hammer drill setting on here, and I'm going to go slow. I need to get this right, kind of like right there. And I might have to take this off. I'm going to try not to. I need to get right. I need to get right there. It's coming in at an angle. See the shards coming off. It's gonna take some time. I'm gonna do this off camera because this is gonna take a minute, and I'll come back after I have the hole drilled. I'm through the black piece here, so now I have to go through the orange piece. So I think it's going to work. think my plan is gonna work. My idea is gonna work. Let me shift that. Okay, it went through. No, I'm not gonna say it wasn't a problem. Took probably 5 minutes. So I'll be able to get that screw in just like that and finish it on the backside. Actually, let's just go ahead and do it. I'm gonna use this washer and this nut on the back. See if I can get this. See how it's moving? We're gonna get that to where it's not gonna move. Right there. Okay. I'm gonna have to go under here. Let me reposition stuff. Get that on. That's what I'm gonna do on that part. Then you already know what you're gonna do. This piece. That one. Nope. Common sense is saying measure that. I'm not gonna apply common sense today. I'm just not gonna do it. I am not going to do it. So this is 7/8. Alright. 1/2 is too large. Never can find what you're looking for when you're looking for it. And I guarantee you, I am not going to find the one that I need. And I did find it, 7/16. Give you 7/16 to get this in here. So that's gonna hold that piece. Get in here 7/16. Get in here. 7/16 right there. And let's go back side. And then you all see that? It's getting tighter. Tighter. Give it a tight, a Popeye tighten. You know, like Popeye do the spinach. moving like it was at first. So that's good. I think that would solve that problem. So we're gonna call this complete and finished. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. And check out some more videos that I'm gonna be placing up.